Crypto.com, Crowcoin holders. We've seen Crowcoin fall a little bit more here, and I'm going to be talking about where I think this market's going to be headed. Are we going to get a bounce, or is this really just continuation of the downside? So without further ado, welcome back to Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. Anything I say in this video is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. Let's hop into it. Now, I want to start off here and show you guys. I made a little bit of a tweet here. Follow me at 333 Blacksea. I say, when the charts call, I am there to answer. I hope Crow bounces soon. And my Crowcoin short is about 321% in the profit. A lot of my other altcoin shorts are in the profit right now. And guys, I've been calling for this. Do I want to be shorting the market? No. I want to be a bull. I want to be a super mega perma bull all day, every day. But when the markets present the right opportunities, I am going to take them. I am going to accumulate as much profit as I possibly can from altcoins so I can get more Bitcoin. And that's exactly what I'm doing here. And if you look at Crowcoin right now, I said in my video yesterday that, seeing the weekly candle closure of the body being below 15 cents on Crowcoin on the weekly time frame, it was a bit bearish. And I was expecting a continuation of the downside. I was even talking about how I think it's possible that we come down to test 12 cents. And I do still think that that's on the table. And I will say, though, 12 cents, in my opinion, is a very important price level. Because if we test 12 cents, that's one thing. That's absolutely fine. Like, we could test 12 and bounce. Yeah, sure, that's absolutely fine. I would expect that. But if we start to close below 12 cents, then I expect a retest of this wick down here around 9.5 cents, which would be absolutely brutal for Crowcoin. It would be absolutely brutal. And that's why I am shorting right now, because I do think that when we first saw this big liquidation event, I said, usually when you see these big drawdowns, the wicks like to get candlesticked on time frame. And whenever you see the time frame, if it's a daily, an hourly, and it's a wick, usually over time it will make its way back down there, unless we are on our way up in a very volatile parabolic move, right? Where you're on your way up and you're seeing, like, how can I describe this to you? Where you see, like, we're on our way up, like this, for example. You saw a big move down right here, then immediate bounce. Big move down, immediate bounce. Like, we're not in that phase of the market right now. We are in weakness and bearish price action. I mean, just look at this chart here. Now, I'm not trying to be a big bear. I'm just telling you guys that I am a altcoin trader and a Bitcoin investor, and that's exactly what I'm doing right now. I'm trading the alts, and Crowcoin looked ready for a short, so I'm short right now, and right now I'm about 326%, up about $550 in the profit. This is not a significant trade at all, you guys. If you've been watching this channel for a while, I've done some six-figure XRP longs and whatnot, but that should go to show how cautious I am in this market right now, because I do think that at any moment we could see a bounce, and the real question is, does that turn into a dead cat bounce, making a potential lower high like this, testing 15 cents and rejecting down? Or does it set us up for a bounce and a V-shape out? That's really, we won't know until it happens. But in my opinion, when I look at the higher term time frames of the altcoins and Bitcoin, I start to lean more and more towards that. I think the risk is to the downside, and that's why I am short over on Blowfin and on many different altcoins. But right now, I'm showing you my Crow trade. But guys, if you do want to trade, feel free to check out in the pinned comment section or description box below. We have a 10% trade rebate and a $5,000 sign bonus to Blowfin, and a lot of other awesome sign bonuses and many other exchanges in the description box below, pinned comment, or pinned comment section or the description box below. That's what I was trying to say. But lucrative sign bonuses, they're all affiliate links, so it helps with this channel. It's a win-win for both of us. So feel free to check it out if you want to trade or you already are trading. Take advantage of the bonuses. So Bitcoin is struggling here. We were rejected off of 110,000, trading about 107K. Bitcoin dominance is rallying ever so slightly. And Ethereum is just taking a beating back around $3,600, $3,500. Being below 4K just screams weakness to altcoins, in my opinion. And when you think about the 4-year cycle as well, where we're at, hypothetically, the 4-year cycle is complete, hypothetically. If you believe in the halving, the 4-year cycle and the halving events, I've showed you this chart yesterday if you guys watched, where basically October 6th was potentially the top, the all-time high for this cycle. And that hypothetically, if you believe in the 4-year cycle, we are beginning the bear market now. Now, do I completely buy that? No, I don't, but I would not be surprised if this was the top. I think that the 4-year cycle can give or take 30 to 90 days on each end. Like it could be short 90 days or it could be long 90 days. Or maybe, just maybe, this all-time high on October 6th was dead on 1,064 days. Maybe, just maybe. But all in all, I am biased to the downside, and I'm positioned accordingly. I'm shorting altcoins. But, guys, I'm buying Bitcoin every single day because I am an altcoin trader and a Bitcoin investor, guys. And I really do want to see Crowcoin bounce. Like I said, I hope Crow bounces soon. I really do. I don't like shorting the market. I don't like seeing people lose money. I don't like seeing that because a lot of people will long, and people are much more likely to long assets than they are to short them because, guys, let's be real here. What's the point of crypto? Well, Bitcoin specifically is to fight against the debasement of the dollar just going to zero, right? And it's easier to bet to the upside than bet to the downside. But when the trades present themselves, I strike. I have to do it. Now, let me know in the comments below, guys. What do you think? Do you think that Crowcoin's due for a bounce? I think that we could get a little bit of a dead cat bounce, potentially off of 12 cents. I don't even want to be saying that terminology because we could V-shape out. We could recover. We could see a bullish reversal. We could see that play out. But as of right now, I do think that the risk is to the downside, so I'm going to keep my shorts open, but I hope I get stopped down the profit. I hope that we get a nice bounce. I really do. But that's all I got, guys. I want to come on here, just give you guys my quick analysis as we're seeing Bitcoin break down a little bit more and seeing Crowcoin further break down. I just want to tell you guys how I'm viewing this market and what I'm doing to capitalize on it. But that's all I got. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now. Check out all the awesome affiliate links down below. I'll see you next one. Bye-bye.